अस्सलाम-ओ-अलैकुम माय डियर ऑडियंस, वेलकम टू आरपी इंग्लिश लर्निंग चैनल। आज मैं आपके लिए बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लेसन लेकर हाजिर हूँ जिसमें आपने सिर्फ सुनना है और प्रैक्टिस करनी है। प्रैक्टिस लाजमी करनी है आप लोगों ने और अच्छे तरीके से सुनना है। चलें स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का लेसन। अगर आपने अभी तक हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो देखने के लिए, कन्वर्सेशन सेंटेंसेस की प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें। चलें स्टार्ट करते हैं। लेट्स स्टार्ट। Hello, good afternoon. Hello, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Hello, good afternoon. Good afternoon. How are you? How are you? I am fine. What's about you? I am fine. What's about you? और मेरी ऑडियंस कैसी है वो अपने हाल चाल के बारे में लाजमी कमेंट बॉक्स में बताए। I am also fine. I am also fine. That's great. That's great या great दोनों कह सकते हैं। Great। अभी तक अगर आपने हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो लाजमी कर लें। Can you speak English? Can you speak English? Yes, a little. Can you? Yes, a little. Can you? Can you? Yes, it's okay. My name is John. What's your name? My name is Jessica. Nice to meet you, John. My name is Jessica. Nice to meet you, John. Nice to meet you, Jessica. Where are you from? Nice to meet you, Jessica. Where are you from? I am from Kashmir. And you? I am from Kashmir. And you? I am from the United States. Do you leave Kashmir now? No, I live in London now. I study at university here. I study at university here. Oh, that's great. What do you study? What do you study? I study business. How about you? What do you do? How about you? What do you do? I don't study now. I work as a teacher now. That's an important job. Do you like being a teacher? Do you like being a teacher? Yes, I really enjoy it. I really enjoy it. The students are fun. That's good. Do you have any hobbies? Do you have any hobbies? और मेरी ऑडियंस की हॉबी क्या है वो भी अपनी हॉबी के बारे में कमेंट बॉक्स में ज़रूर बताएं। Yes, I like playing football in my free time. I enjoy reading books and listening to music. I enjoy reading books and listening to music. Me too. What kind of music do you like? What kind of music do you like? I like pop and rock music. And you? And you? I like pop music also and jazz sometimes. Jazz is nice. Do you have any plans for the weekend? Do you have any plans for the weekend? Not really. Not really. Probably just relaxing. And you? Same. Not doing much. Just rest after a busy week. I understand studying is hard work. Yes, it is. What do you do in free time usually? What do you do in free time usually? I like spending time with friends and family. I like spending times with friends and family. That's great. Friends and family make life better. Friends and family make life better. You are right. I am happy we talked today. Me too. It was nice meeting you, John. It was nice meeting you, John. Nice to meet you, Jessica. Nice to meet you, Jessica. Hope we can talk again. Yes, definitely. Have a good day. Yes, definitely. माय डियर ऑडियंस, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई है तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलें। मैं आपके लिए इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो लेकर आती रहूँगी जिसमें आपको स्पीकिंग प्रैक्टिस करेंगे। अल्लाह हाफिज़, बाय बाय। अपना ख्याल रखिए और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा, शेयर भी करिएगा। बाय।